Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George. The Farmer and the Stork. Once upon a time, there was a stork who lived with his old mother and father. A stork who used to love his old father and mother was responsible for getting food for them. He found a number of cranes which went in various flower lands to pick up seeds. He immediately joined the flock of cranes. One day, while collecting seeds, they reached the flower land where a farmer placed nets on his newly sown flower lands and caught a number of cranes, which came to pick up seeds. With a flock of cranes, the stork was also trapped and had fractured his leg in the net. The poor stork started to cry. He had no option except for begging to the farmer to spare his life. Please forgive me, master. Please let me go to my old parents. My broken limb is hurting too much. They must be waiting for me. He requested to the farmer. To this, the farmer did not pay any attention. The stork continued. I am not a crane, I am a stork. I am a sweet bird with excellent character. And see how much I love and arrange food for my father and mother. Look at my feathers. They are so beautiful and not at least like those of cranes. The farmer was very angry at his losses, laughed aloud, and said, maybe all you say. I only know this, that I have caught you with these robbers, the cranes. You must die in their company. No matter how hard the stork tried, his life came to an end because of his bad company.